Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just received this order from Temu. As you know, Temu is like Meesho in India and you can get very cheap stuff from Temu. I buy so many items from Temu, I cannot tell you, especially home decor items. In my future videos, I'll show you items that I have brought from Temu and they are so worth buying them because of their value and how they look. But in today's video I'm going to show you my new order. Let's start this video. I've already opened the bag. Now let's take the item one by one and see what it is. So first thing that I have is a lunch bag. I decided to try a lunch bag from Temu. Let's open it. It's quite spacious. It looks nice. Also, this is the layering from inside to keep your food hot for a long time. So this layering is good, and the material also doesn't feel cheap. You just close and check the zip. Okay, so I was able to close it easily, and this much. So it's big size. Okay, and it will hold lot of food items. So yeah, I think it's a good bag. What do you think? Write in the comment box if you like this bag. Now let's see the next item, which is a suction cup for either GoPro or DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or any device. So I basically wanted it because I wanted to just fix my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in my car. So I will easily be able to fix it. I will just fix it like doing this press, and then this suction will start working. If I just put it up, it will release the suction, and here I'll screw my DJI, so it will be like that, and I'll be easily able to record the videos. So I wanted it for the video purpose. I also got a screw, this thing which holds the camera. So I think it's a good deal. The material feels really good. It's a sturdy product and I definitely recommend you to buy this. Now let's see another item. I don't know what it is. Let's see. I think these are motion sensor lights, if I'm not wrong. So guys, this is body induction lamp or motion sensor light. So you need to fix them, and when you pass from this lamp, it glows up automatically. You need to remove this sticker and just stick it to the wall, and they will glow up if you pass around it. So this is motion sensor light, and I have ordered it in white warm color, so basically yellow color, and this is auto on or off. So this is the color. So when it feels that you are passing through this light, it will glow up. And I bought like 4. 2, 3 and 4. I have 4, total 4. So this is really good. See, you can also see here, if you are around this, the human body induction, if you pass around this light, it will just glow up, and then you can charge it and use it. So yeah, it's really good. I ordered it in a color warm white, like yellow color, as you saw. Let me show you again. So yeah, this is the color. It's not white, it's yellow color, and I think this light is really good for washroom area. So yeah, I'll be putting all this in my washroom area. I already have 2 more sensor lights. They are white in color. I really loved them, and that's why I again ordered them. So this is again a must purchase. If you want to buy them, you can ask for a link in the comment box and I'll give you. These I got from Temu because I saw that it's quite famous nowadays. But yeah, I ordered earrings. Now this is the next item, which is silicone ice cream maker. So these are really small in size, but they are good. I can just use them to make ice cream. So what you can do is you can pour your batter here and then press your stick from this side. You can put the stick from here, and this is the ice cream mold. You can mold any ice cream, and it's really squishy because it is silicone material. So yeah, I'm looking forward to use it. Let's see. So I have seen so many earrings on Temu now, and they look so beautiful. And look at this earring, it looks so good. So I felt like it looks really good, and that's why I ordered it. Next is this. So I have ordered solar light. I did not want a light which will use a lot of electricity. I wanted solar powered lights, so I ordered solar powered lights in yellow color, warm white color that you can say, and it will save me a lot of energy, a lot of electricity. It will run on solar. As you can see, this is the solar panel. So these two are going to be fixed along with the solar panel, and this will be the light. So it looks quite thick. I think it is 32-meter long. So yeah, I ordered this time really long light. Okay, I will also show you how it looks in the night time, but that will be in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Next is this. So this is a bag, and you can keep a lot of item in this bag. You can keep a lot of cards, you can keep your bill, currency, everything. So I ordered it to keep all my cards, but it looks so good and it looks so expensive as well. It doesn't look cheap. The material is good, the zip is good, the color is great. I think I love this product as well. So if you are looking for something like this, you can get it from Temu. So this is my next purchase, which is again earring. So there are like two earrings, a small and big pearl from front and back. So they are trendy earrings, and that's why I ordered them. So next product is this. This is cap holder. You can see the picture here. I will be easily able to keep all my caps on this holder. I'll just fix this on the wall and put all my caps from here. So yeah, and this is my last product. So basically I have ordered it to make my bed. So when you put your bed sheet on the bed, it gets really hard to tuck them inside, but with the help of this product you will be easily able to push through the bed sheets inside the bed or tuck it in the mattress easily. So yeah, it will help me in making my bed look really good. So these are the product, guys, and they are very useful product. As you can see, I haven't ordered anything which is not useful, yeah, apart from a few earrings that I love. So I hope you like this video. Do let me know which product you like the most, and you will definitely order for yourself. And also write down in the comment section what kind of videos do you want to watch more from me, and if you're liking my content. And if you are liking my content, thank you so much, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. Do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye, take care.